What's going on, Goon Squad? Today we have a Vivid Voltage opening. I don't remember where I put them. Pika Pika! Pikachu! Alright, thanks. Yeah, so we are going to be opening a pre-release kit for Vivid Voltage, and like last time when we did our Darkness Ablaze opening, we got some other goodies in here. Yeah, it doesn't look like anything too cool though. Energy cards, another playmat, paper playmat. This time it has Dreadnought and Charizard on it. For Vivid Voltage. So yeah, we have 2 extra packs and then 4 packs in here. So let's go ahead and crack them open. There's a code card for you all. 4 to the front, get rid of the fighting energy. And we have Pincurchin, Trumbeak, Nessa, Mudbray, Poochyena, Charmander, Chatot, Joltik, Reverse Loudred, and Aegislash VMAX on our first pack. It's Halloween today, and I think the ghosties are aware. So we got Ghost Sword, who's also a hacker man. So that's pretty cool. First pack luck. On to the second pack. There's a code card. 4 to the front, get rid of a fire energy. And we have a wash energy. Sirchester Bath. Hitmontop. Eevee. Seedot. Electrike. Clefairy. Phanpy. Reverse Trumbeak, and our rare is a Fortress. Nothing lucky that time, but we still have some more packs to open. Have no fear. Got a Vivid Voltage pre-release kit. These things are always possible to open. There we go. We have a Zarude on the front and a Pikachu on the back. And inside we have our 4 packs of Vivid Voltage. We have the promo Snorlax, and then a little slip with Zarude Sandstorm, Massive Energy, and Wild Color, and some building tips for doing a pre-release deck, but we're just here to open cards. So let's look at our little promo pack. There's a code card. If you're into that, we have Snorlax promo holographic. Very cool. I like the art. I like the little logo. I like whatever that ability is. Gormandize. We have Leon, Hop, Opal, Dan, Charmander, 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 Charmeleon, Charmeleon, Charizard, Charizard, Birdkeeper, Professor's Research, another Opal, Evolution Incense, Pick-a-Peck, Pick-a-Peck-a Pickled Peppers, Trumbeak, Trumbeak, Toucannon, Toucannon. So yeah, that's it for the promo cards. And then we have 4 packs to open up here, so let's start with Pikachu. That's a big Pika. Code card for you all. Oops, 4 to the front, get rid of a Fighting Energy. We have a Zebstrika, Coding Energy, Heroes Medal, Duskull, Voltorb, Weedle, Drillbur, another Clefairy, Reverse Xerneas, and a rare Holo Dialga. Got some legendary boys. Very cool. Let's do a Celebi now. This is based on one of the amazing rares, so hopefully we can pull one of those. That'd be pretty cool. Here's a code card. Fighting Energy. We have Crackarock, Delmise, Rocky Helmet, Puccina, Voltorb, Rockruff, Talo, Yanma, Reverse Nuzleaf, and another legendary rare holo Regirock. I think this is a sign I need to do some more max raid adventures in the Crown Tundra, which I've been doing almost every night on our Twitch channel, so go ahead and give that a follow if you want to see some Sword and Shield gameplay. There's another code card. Lightning Energy, Aromatic Energy, Heroes Medal, Hitmontop, Weedle, Beldum, Phanpy, Spooky Duskull, Electrike, Reverse Holo Terrakion, and an Ampharos V. We're getting some pretty good luck with the legendaries and a couple V cards, so yeah, it's pretty cool. Final pack for this video, another Pikachu. Let's see if we can get an amazing rare. There's a code card. 4 to the front, getting rid of a Fire Energy. We have another Aromatic Energy, Heroes Medal, Hitmontop, Woobat, Arrokuda, Seedot, Phanpy, Shuppet, Reverse Electrike, and a Samurott. So yeah, no amazing rares, but we did get a couple V cards and a couple holographics, so not all that bad. Not so bad for a pre-release. Yeah, I guess thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to check out our Twitch channel if you want to see some Sword and Shield gameplay. We'll be doing some Pokemon trading card game online when Vivid Voltage officially comes out, so stay tuned for that as well. And yeah, hope you're all having a happy Halloween, and thank you for watching.